Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Realme Pocket Bluetooth speaker and I'm going to show you how to link it with your Android app. So we have to open our Realme Link app and then we have to click agree and continue. Now we have to set our location and click next. Now we have to click got it and click pair new device. Now we have to click agree and continue. And now we have to sign in into our account. If we don't have one, we just have to create it. Now we have to insert our email. And now we have to drag it. Now we have to insert our code. So that we have to go into our mail and insert our code. Now we have to set our password. Now we have to set date of birth and click I agree to the privacy policy and account user agreement. Now we have to click next and now we're signed in. Now we have to click got it and allow for sending notifications. Now we have to click got it and allow for nearby devices. And now, as you can see, our app automatically got our Realme Pocket speaker. To use it, we just have to click I have read and agree to the service agreement and privacy notice and click agree. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.